how to remove digital coupons from Dollar General app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove digital coupons from Dollar General app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The issue here is quite simple. You open the Dollar General app, maybe you happen to apply a specific coupon during the checkout process, and then now maybe you want to remove and unclip those digital coupons from your Dollar General app. Well, can you do that? Well, one thing you have to understand is that Dollar General does not allow you to unclip or remove any coupons that you've already added in this case, or even clipped. And next time you can only remember one thing is to simply clip the higher values. So basically Dollar General does not allow you to go ahead and then basically actually remove it, and they do not allow you to unclip any coupons that you've already clipped, and possibly is because of the way things actually work within Dollar General. So hopefully in the future, if they allow you to, I'll make sure to update to you about it, but so far there has not been any way. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.